बैंगलोर और पंजाब इस सीजन दूसरी बार आमने सामने मुकाबला शारजा में एंड टू हेल्प यू विद सम इनवैल्यूएबल इनसाइट्स ऑन हु टू पिक who to drop in your fantasy 11. I'm now joined by Ajit Agarkar on my 11 circle fantasy pick on ESPN Cricket Info. फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात है भाई, ये प्रो टिप पहले नोट कर लो, आपके बड़ी काम आएगी. टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स एंड बैंगलोर स्पिनर्स आर अ मस्ट हैव इन योर 11. अजीत, सहमत?
Yeah, I mean both sets of batsmen in both teams. Lots of great players, lots of great T20 players, and same with the spin. We've seen the pitches starting to get a bit tired, and spinners starting to get a bit more assistance. So, it's a good tip, and like we've seen in recent times, spinners will have a say in the game.
Right. Also, all players available, so nothing to worry on that one. Just a quick reminder of the rules. Every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, bowlers, all-rounders, and wicket-keepers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. We are going in with KL Rahul. Yes, we're backing him to be our captain. While his team may not have done well, he has scored 350s and 100 in the first half of the tournament. His only 100 in the season so far came against Bangalore a couple of weeks ago. So who knows, he might deliver another biggie in this game against Bangalore. So KL Rahul is our captain. Virat Kohli is going to be the deputy in our lineup. Now, he's not looked back since that game against Rajasthan, where he got his first 50 of the season. He scored 238 runs in his last 4 innings and has been dismissed only once. Kohli in this kind of form is an absolute must. KL Rahul, the captain. Virat Kohli, the vice-captain. Who else is there? AB de Villiers is coming off a match-defining knock at the same venue. He scored 73 of 33 in that game against Kolkata. He was the only batsman that wasn't troubled by the pitch. Expect him to deliver big once again in Sharjah. We're going with Yuzvendra Chahal as a spinner in our top picks. He's picked up 10 wickets at an economy of 7 so far in the tournament. Even on a small ground like Sharjah, where the spinners have struggled in the early part of the tournament, he has shown great skills and guts, and he could give you a lot of points in this game. Chris Morris, the last of our top picks. He's been fantastic in the 2 games he's played so far, picking up 5 wickets and has gone at an economy of a miserly 4.5. He's made a difference to his side's fortunes, and he could do the same for your fantasy 11 as well. So that's what our top picks list looks like. KL Rahul, Virat Kohli, captain, vice-captain, and we have AB de Villiers, Yuzvendra Chahal, and Chris Morris as part of our top picks. So Ajit, 4 Bangalore players, but KL Rahul, despite his team struggling, gets picked. Wise call when you're picking a fantasy 11, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, he's been in good form, and there's been a little bit of talk about if he can bat quicker or not. But for me, he's been in terrific form, and just to be consistent in this format is never easy. And clearly, for RCB players is a must because that's the team in form at the moment, and when there's a team in form, you may as well cash in on it.
Right, we've got 2 differential picks in our recommended 11. Washington Sundar, who's been a revelation for the Bangalore side this season. He's been used in the power play, his preferred bowling option, and he has responded very well with 4 wickets in his last 2 games at an economy of just over 5. Ravi Bishnoi, the other spinner, who's our differential pick, a smart young bowler who's been very clever with his lines and lengths as well as his varying pace. He's picked up 8 wickets in the tournament so far at an economy of just under 8. So back him, we say. Now let's unravel our recommended 11. AB de Villiers and KL Rahul alongside Nicholas Puran, the 3 wicket-keeper batsmen in that lineup. We're going in with 3 batsmen: Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, and Chris Gayle. Chris Gayle features in our 11. We're going with 2 all-rounders in Chris Morris and Washington Sundar, and just the 3 bowlers, which has Mohammad Shami, Ravi Bishnoi, and Yuzvendra Chahal. Aaron Finch, Mayank Agarwal, Arshdeep Singh, and Navdeep Saini in the substitutes. Firstly, we're going with Chris Gayle, backing him to play this game. That's one. 2 spinners in our 11 and Saini in the subs. Do you agree with it?
Yeah, I mean, Saini and Mayank Agarwal both in the subs. Those are players you'd certainly keep a watch out for. Chris Gayle was supposed to play a couple of games back, but because of food poisoning couldn't. So there's a chance with Punjab struggling, they might get him in. We don't quite know what kind of form he's in, although he's Chris Gayle, and you can never write him off. So, I like the 11. Mayank and Saini at 2 players from that subs, who I'll certainly be a bit tempted to try and fit in my 11 if I can.
Right, some might think about why KL Rahul is captain. In that case, we've got an alternate scenario for you. Since a batsman from the team batting first has been more successful at the venue, choose your captain between Kohli and Rahul accordingly after the toss. So you always have that option after the toss. So you saw our 11, but we also have something for those who like to take risks in life and their fantasy 11. Here's Shresh Shah's high risk 11 for you.
Since the game's in Sharjah, it's actually going to be a tantalizing contest. And so I've made 3 changes from the recommended 11, which you suggested. The recommended 11 had Devdutt Padikkal, but I'm getting an Aaron Finch, just because Sharjah is the kind of ground where the Aussie captain can dominate. The second change I've made from the recommended 11 is I've removed Ravi Bishnoi and I've gotten Mayank Agarwal. He's been in terrific form and there's no reason to doubt him not to do well. And the last change which I've done from the recommended 11 is I've gotten Sheldon Cottrell for Mohammad Shami. The left-arm seam option is a nice variety, and you could see him take some wickets. One big punt which I've done from your recommended 11 and my high-risk 11 is making Chris Gayle captain. If he plays, I think he has a point to prove, and he might do really well. And I've also gone with Chris Morris as my vice-captain. High risk, high reward. He might just get you 3 wickets at the death.
And so with that, we have all possible intel you need. You saw Ajit's advice, you saw our 11, and you saw that high-risk 11 from Shresh Shah. Think of all that, get your teams ready, and win lots and lots of prizes. For now, thanks Ajit for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket.